This video will show you how to prepare samples for the swing beamline. Go to Biolab 1. Access to the lab must be requested in Sunset prior to your arrival in order to configure your badge. Open the door with your badge and go to the dedicated bench. Various devices are at your disposal. Bring your samples to the desktop centrifuge, open the lid, and place samples inside. Close the lid, choose the appropriate parameters, and then press Start. Once finished, take out your samples. Now, use the NanoDrop device to check the concentration of your samples. Use the dedicated computer. First, pipette 2 microliters of the blanking buffer onto the bottom pedestal. Lower the arm and then put it back to the up position and wipe away the buffer. Again add 2 microliters of blanking buffer and measure the blank. Repeat the operation with 2 microliters of your sample. Check the concentration. And then clean the measurement cell with water. Then you are ready to prepare your samples for SAXS experiments. Take an insert, pipette the requested amount of your sample into the insert, and make sure there are no bubbles at the bottom. Put the insert in a vial and close it with a blue cap. Place it in the HPLC rack. For batch measurements, first add an insert filled with the buffer in the dedicated rack. And then, fill an insert with your sample. Close the rack. Now, take the racks and bring them to the beamline. Open the door of the batch autosampler and place the rack inside. Close the door, and do the same with the HPLC autosampler. Place the rack in the front position. Done! You can do the experimental hutch search.